Hi, this is part 4 of phase 2 of the bowling animation project. We left off with completing the sweep rack cycle, where it swept the pins away and then returned to its original location. And now we need to get the pin setter to set those pins back down on the lane again. This will be a fairly straightforward procedure. All we'll end up doing is copying a bunch of old keyframes. The first thing that you need to do is look over in the Layers palette and click on your sweep rack. In the timeline, locate that last set of keyframes for your sweep rack. You can then move another half a second's worth down the timeline. For me, that's going to be frame 384. Now that I know where I need to be at, in the Layers palette, I can click on my Pinsetter layer. In the main menu, click on Animation, Add Keyframe. Now in this case, it's more of a placeholder because I'm going to look backwards on the timeline to find the keyframes from when that thing came down and went back up before. So here's the whole group of them. The pin setter need only repeat these actions. Therefore, I can just click drag and select all of those and then edit, copy. And then moving back to where I set up my placeholder, be sure that I'm right on top of that area that I intended to start the motion. And then edit, paste. So as you can see, it's just going to do the exact same thing it did before. So that was very convenient. So we needed to release the pins now. Let's check on when it's dropping them off, right? So it's going to have to bring the pins down here and drop them off here and then go back up by itself. So for me, it's frame 384. Now I need to go look at the pins. And I believe mine were 6, 9, and 10. Yeah. So I'll click on pin 6 here, and I can see that it's activated. Here I'll even zoom in so you can see it a little better. First, I need to go up to the main menu, Animation, Add Keyframe. And then I know that the pin setter moved down over a period of 1 full second. So I still have pin 6 highlighted in the Layers palette. Go over to the Tools, select Transform Layer, and next to Position, I can click Reset because the pin's original position was down here. So clicking Reset plops it right down there. I'll use the exact same process for my other 2 pins. Go back to 384, click on my pin 9 right here, click on Animation, Add Keyframe, slide over here to 408, Transform Layer, Reset. Go back to 384, choose pin 10, Animation, Add Keyframe, slide over to frame 408, click Reset. We still need to add just a little bit more to meet up with the minimum requirement for this project, but take this opportunity to catch up. I'll pause now and continue in the next video.